y'all, it's Emma here from Cookeville RV Marine, and today we're going to take a look at the 2026 Grand Design Imagine 2470BH. But guys, we know y'all can find this camper anywhere in America, but what you can't find anywhere is a Cookeville RV Marine. You can go ahead and skip those corporate guys because we are family owned and operated, meaning that we're going to be with you every step of the way, guys, and you can trust us. And you can also check out our Google reviews if you don't want to take our word for it, because we have over 1,000 of them and even over 4.7 stars. Let's check it out. Before we start, be sure that you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell notification so that you're notified every time we post a video like this one. Let's check it out. On the entertainment side, we do have a massive awning that reaches over both of your exterior doors. Speaking of that, one of our doors leads into our bedroom and the other door leads into our living space. We also have a nice LED light strip underneath our awning so you can keep the party going all night long and see everything at your campground. We also have an outlet over here, so if you want to set up a table and watch the big game, you can plug in the TV right here, so that's super nice. But let's check out some of the other things that they've put on the outside of this camper. We have our super nice indoor-outdoor trash can. Not only is it easy for you to throw stuff in on the inside of your camper and the outside, but it's super easy to take the trash out from the outside so you're not strolling it all through your camper. So that's what I love about it. And we also have a super cool little paper towel holder over here as well. So if you have a nice little buffet area out here, you can have all of this right here that's easy and accessible. Let's check out something else on the outside. Also on the outside of our camper, we do have a full outdoor kitchen. We've got a nice fridge here that's perfect for your condiments and drinks or anything that you want to put in there. And we have this little storage space here that also has an outlet in the back. So if you want to plug up any extra devices, you're going to be able to. And we also have a griddle right underneath that that's perfect for that bacon and sausage, anything you want to cook on the outside of your campground. Let's check out our storage. Underneath our camper, we have this massive unobstructed pass-through storage area. Not only is it super nice, but it's also lit up, so if you're working in here at night, you're going to be able to see everything you want to see. We also have a nice grippy floor that's also easy if you have any muddy hoses that you're throwing in here. You can just wipe it right up because the material's super nice and easy to clean. We also have an outlet over here if you need to plug up anything to that. And across from us, we also have our convenience bay. So whenever you pull up to the campground, everything's going to be over there for you to hook up. And just anything you need, it's going to be in that nice location. I'll also mention that we are Starlinked prepped, meaning you can have internet anywhere you go, even if you're off-grid. So that's super nice. Let's check out the inside. As soon as you walk in, you are going to notice that we have a super nice Lippert thin shade. Basically, this is just a shade that you can pull up if you want extra privacy. So that's super nice. And right across from that, we do have our indoor speaker system. So you can keep the party going all day long in your camper. And underneath that, we do have our super nice control panel. So this is where you're going to find all of your switches, all of your lights and things like that right here with the click of a button. Let's get into our bunks. Right beside of our entry door, we do have our bunks, and these are super nice because not only do the kids have their own area, but we've got privacy curtains, we've got lights that they're able to control from their bunks, and we even have a nice cubby on both of the bunks where you can put your glass of water or even charge your phone or iPad because there are also charging ports in there as well. Not only do we have some storage underneath the bunks, it's perfect for those large bags or even larger boxes to slide under here, but we also have these super cool drawers. Let's check them out. These drawers are super cool, y'all, because watch this. You can press it in and it pops right out, so you're not snagging any of your clothes or anything like that on it as you walk by. So that's super cool. I've honestly never seen that in a camper. But this is just perfect for their shoes or games, anything they want to throw in here, it's all going to fit. And we even have our ladder right up above it. Let's get into our bathroom. In our bathroom, we have lots of storage space here. Above our sink, we have the perfect medicine cabinet for your toothpaste, toothbrush, anything you want to throw in there. And we also have some sink area here for you to put all of your makeup or even plug in your hair tools because we do have an outlet right next to the sink. So that's super nice and you don't have to worry about not having a space to plug in your things. Underneath that, we do have a great space for your trash can or anything that you want to put in here. You could even put cleaning supplies under your sink. And right next to that, there's even more storage space that's perfect for your paper towels, your toilet paper, anything you want to stow away in your bathroom. It's going to be great for that. We also have more storage up above our toilet that's perfect for your towels, wash rags, anything you want to wad up and put in there. It's all going to fit. And under that, we also have our foot flush porcelain toilet. We even have a towel rack on the door, so that's super nice for you to hang your towel on or robe, anything you want to put on there. But let's check out our shower. In our shower, we have lots of head space here. We have a nice skylight, so if you're tall, you're going to fit in here for sure. We even have a removable shower head, so if you've got a dirty dog or even dirty kids, you can take it and hose it down and it'll be perfect for that. We even have some built-in shelves here for your shampoo, conditioner, anything that you want to leave in the shower. It's great for that. We even have a sliding squeegee door, so that's great to keep all the water inside of our tub and not in our camper, which is where we want to keep it. Let's check out our living space. In our slide, we have this super nice and comfy theater seats. Not only are these huge and super roomy, but they also recline, which is super nice. And we're right across from our TV, so it's the perfect movie watching spot. We also have some cup holders here, and we even have a nice USB port here if you want to charge any of your devices. If you need an outlet, we do have one right over here beside of the couch, and we have an extra USB on the opposite side of me. And beside of that, we even have this nice little cubby for if you have an extra drink or even want to put your books or magazines in there, that's perfect for that. We even have some nice windows all around me here, and they have day night shades on there, which is super nice because you can either pull them down and have complete privacy or pull them up and you can see the nice campground around you. Let's check out our fridge. In our slide, we also have our super nice fridge and freezer. This is going to fit everything you need at the campground, and check out how cool this is, a dedicated spot for your water bottles or even Coke cans. Let's check out our cooking area. The first thing that you can notice in your kitchen is this super nice extendable countertop, and this is super great if you need extra room, which we have lots of room anyway, but if you want extra room for your cutting board or anything like that, that's the perfect spot for it, and it folds down super easily. We have plenty of storage space here in our cabinets. We have lots of space for our plates, cups, mugs, whatever you want to put in here. There's lots of room in here. We even have our super nice microwave, and over here we have our TV that is directly across from our theater seats. We have these super nice windows as well, and as I mentioned before, you have different options with these. We do have them in privacy mode right now, as well as nighttime mode if you want to call it that. So no one can see in and you can't see out, but if you want to see out, you just lift them up and you can see everything. We have super nice solid surface countertops with lots of room for anything you want to put over here. And we even have outlets on the other side of me as well. So if you need to plug anything up, you can do so over there. We even have our spot to access our indoor-outdoor trash can here. So that's super nice, and that's where you'll find that. We even have our 3-burner stove right here. So that's super nice for cooking anything that you need to. You're going to have plenty of eyes for that. We even have another window over here, your paper towel rack that is built into our cabinets, and even 2 more outlets over here. We also have a super nice sink that's perfect for washing dishes because not only do we have a retractable nozzle and a built-in soap dispenser, but we also have a drying rack and a singular farmhouse sink. So washing dishes is going to be a whole lot better and easier. We also have an area right underneath your sink that's perfect for your sponges or anything like that, and you don't have to worry about destroying your cabinets because they are lined with water-resistant materials. We also have plenty of storage space under here in our drawers, and this is just perfect for anything you want to put, cleaning supplies or even more cooking supplies. We've got storage all around here, so that's super nice. I do want to mention this awesome storage space. It comes with these pegs here, so if you want to set this up where your lids of your pots and pans and things like that are just all side by side and standing up, you can do that if you want. Totally up to you. We have our super nice oven here as well, so it's a good size. We have even more storage space here, and this has a nice pull-out drawer. And we also have some other pull-out drawers here. This is perfect for the kids' snacks or even dog treats, anything you need to put in here. It's all gonna fit. Let's check out our bedroom. In here, we do have our super nice and private bedroom. We've got our queen-size bed that's super comfy. And I'll also go ahead and mention that Grand Design throws in a table in here as well that's underneath the mattress. So you can take that out and put it wherever you want. So if you want to have a place to eat, you can just set that up in your living space wherever you want it to, or even take it outside. So that's super nice. There's also storage under the bed, which is great. And we've got storage all around us as well. We've got our closet space here, and on the other side, we also have a hanging bar on both sides, so you can have his and hers closets. So that's super nice for you to have your own spaces. We even have area up above me that's perfect for your extra linens, shoes, anything you need to put in there. And we even have cubbies that are right beside of us for our nightstands. and those have USB ports and outlets in them as well. So if you need to plug up your CPAPs or even phones, it's going to be perfect over there. I'll also mention that we have these super nice reading lights, so if your husband wants to go to bed, you can turn on the blue version of this light and you're not going to keep him up all night long while you're reading. We also have direct access to our outside area here because we do have a door, and we have another thin shade on that as well. So if you need some privacy, you can just pull that right up. So if you're interested in this Imagine or any other Imagine from the Grand Design line, be sure that you call us, give us a text, or visit us online at cookevilleRV.com where your adventure awaits.